Hello, this is James again from Denmark. Today we're going to deliver a new pulse type 500 watts air cooling laser cleaning machine. And this one, you can take a look. So this is only 50 kilogram. It's very lightweight, and this is the new system. And we input the password before entering into the system. Okay. So this is our new system. We can see the parameters. You can see the power, frequency, pulse width, and speed. It's very just clear and very easy to change, adjust. And also there is a scanning pattern. You can see there are 12 patterns: line, random, and also dot line, triangle, wave, and this is sino, wave, spiral, ring, X, ring, triangle, and this is the triangle solid. And also we have the process database. You can see just we have so many different parameters for different materials: floor, paint, wood, rust, oxide, grease, polish, texture, and no damage. And also we can just put our parameter setting and rename it. So this is our new system, and I want to introduce. This is a new head line. This is new version. You can see lightweight, one hand can hold, and you can see one feature is that we have the knob screen on it. Just with knob, you can choose different parameters, and with hand, no need to adjust it on the screen of the machine. So up down, scan width, okay, adjust it. Now this is 70 millimeters. I can just very easily to lob it and adjust it. So it's very easy. So that's a new feature. And so also we can see there are just two red lights, which is easy for us to find the focus when we're doing the laser cleaning. Okay. So today we'll just use this to clean car parts, the paint. So we can let our engineer show you the cleaning effect. Okay. Okay, we need to wear the mask and eyeglasses. Okay, you can see the clean effect. Now the paint is all cleaned, and you can see. So you can see there's no heat effect, and it cleaned very well. And just the shining, the shadow of light, so it's like dark, and you can see this one is very clean. You can see no damage.
Thank you for your time. If you are interested, please contact us.